Mel.
How are you today, Steve?
Very fine, and yourself. You asked me about paintless dent repair, right?
Yes.
Okay. Have you ever had the occasion to come out from church or a restaurant or a department store, Walmart, Target, doesn't matter, and found that someone parked too close to you and maybe dinged or dented your car?
Oh, yeah.
How'd that make you feel?
Terrible.
Terrible. Let me ask you this. Did you look into what it would cost to get those dings or dents fixed?
I didn't.
Okay, most people don't. In fact, about 99.8% of the people don't. There are 50, 60 bucks for the smaller ones, up to 150 for some of the larger ones.
Yeah.
But even though you didn't get those fixed, you ended up paying for them anyway.
How's that?
When you trade or sell your car, whoever buys it, whether it's a dealership or a private individual, they're going to deduct from the value of your vehicle for every ding and dent you've got. So you did pay for them. Here's what we're going to do for you. We're going to make sure over the next year, unlimited miles, if you get a ding or a dent up to unlimited number, we're going to fix them at no cost for you. Now, what's that going to do for you?
Well, how do I know that you're going to fulfill that?
Because I'm going to give you a policy in writing
Oh, okay.
that says we're going to do this. It's a legally binding contract. Okay? Let's make sure it's not us, though. All right. Here's what it's going to do for you, Ismail. It's going to keep your car looking better longer, but more importantly, it's got the ability to increase your resale value. Now, it's complimentary for 1 year, but you can extend that out to 5 years. We'll talk about that later. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Get their experience. Okay?